Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome back with the regular puzzles. The regular puzzles in today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, May the 2nd, 2024. And we have here three regular puzzles. Two of those I've not done. Only one, the Three Stars Sudoku. So the Tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku, and the Four Stars Sudoku are left. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now, but now in this afternoon. These 3 regular puzzles. News of the day. Well, the Russians are using chemical weapons in the war between Ukraine and Russia. So it will be a filthy war, And yeah, enough about war news. Uh, Four Stars Sudoku number 8467. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Should be 24 for Four Stars puzzle. Always 24 printed digits. This one has 1 digit more. So should be a 3 stars puzzle. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Question is this a 4 stars puzzle or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. 3, 3. 6, 6. You know, we have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Need a 6 here. Need 6 there. Hmm. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. One in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Alright. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. Well. Need a 5 here. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in the middle row. No 4 in these 3 boxes. We have 4 in the third column. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Shoot me there. 4, 4. 4, 4. Alright. So 7, 7. 3, 3. I'm thinking. 4, 4. Need a 4 here. And need a 4 there. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 4 here. The 8 here. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this row. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers 1. 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, here also 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. Then need a 7 here. 3, 8, 5, 5 and 8, 5, 5. Need an 8 here. 2, 2. Need a 2 there also. Thinking. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. 4, 4, okay. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1, it should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this row, middle row. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this middle row for number, I believe, the 9, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1, 8, 5, 1, 8, 5. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8, okay. 4, 5. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Need a 5 here. Need a 4 there, need a 4 here. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. With all the 9s, yes, and all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Okay. Then, yeah. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3. 2 and the 6 are missing here. 2 and the 6. Need a 4 here. Need a 5 here. Yeah. I need a 7 here. I need a 7 there. Well. Two, 6, and 2, 6, and 7. 2, 6, and 7. 2, 6, and 7. I'm thinking. 1, 1. Yeah. 1, 1. 7, 7. Here should be 7. Here should be the 7. Need a 7. Need a 2. Yeah. Well, 4 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And one of the missing number in this row is the number 7. Second row. Here can be 7, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. So the only place level 7 in the second row should be there. 7. And need a 3, 3, 3. No 3 here, 3, 3, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 in these two boxes. So one box level 3 in this big square should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 in these two boxes. We have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 in those two boxes. So one box level 3 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Then I need a 2 here. Need a 7 here. 2, 7, and need a 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. And look, we have 6 and 7 in this column. No 6 and the 7 in this box. 6 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. Alright, 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 place level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. I marked those two boxes earlier, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in the column next, so in that column, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above, so in that row, the only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Can I count the 2's? And all the 2's are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. Can I count the 3's? And all the 3's are used, I can see. Digit number 3. Alright. How about the 4's? 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left of the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left of the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4's are used, I can see. This is number 4. Okay. How about the number 5? Okay. 6 and 7, 6 and 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 and a 7, we have a 6 in this row. First row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. Then 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright. 5 and the 7, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. So 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 5 are left here. Here, 1 and a 5 here. Also 1 and a 5. Alright. How about these 2 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 6 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes. Oh, wait. Need a 6 here. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left, 7 should be here. Oh, there we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 8 goes there. 8, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. Mark these 2 boxes early with 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between the only place left with 1 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there, finished 17 minutes. Wow. Took me longer than I expected. But is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star puzzle. So let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah, a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the 3rd regular puzzle. The JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.